story goes that Bertrand Russell mentioned in one of his lectures that, given a contradictory starting point, one could deduce anything. A student raised his hand and said, "In that case, given that 1 equals 0, prove that you're the Pope." Russell replied, "If 1 equals 0, then add 1 to each side and you get 2 equals 1. The Pope and I are 2 men. Given that 2 equals 1, the Pope and I are 1 man. I am the Pope."
I'm going to give you an astounding result.
Astounding.
An astounding result.
So I'm just going to write down a little sum, and we're just going to see what answer it gives. 1
Plus 2
plus 3
plus 4
plus and I include all the natural numbers, so all the way up to infinity. So what do you reckon the answer to this is, Brady?
Well, I would say it would tend towards infinity.
Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it?
The answer to this sum is remarkably minus a 12th. It's amazing. I mean, I first saw this result when I started learning a bit of string theory.
And what's even more bizarre is that this result is used in many areas of physics.
This is a very well-known string theory textbook by Joe Polchinski. As you can see, sort of quite early on, page 22, we have this statement here, which is that the sum of all, this is basically saying that the sum of all the integers, or the natural numbers, all the way up to infinity, is minus a 12. All right, so we're going to prove now, without getting our knickers in a twist with Riemann zeta functions, we're going to prove quite a simple way why the sum of all the natural numbers is indeed minus a 12. So
It doesn't make any sense.
This
Whole thing is bogus. Shut it down.